In this video, we will learn how to create documents using Airtable Records and send to signer by email. So I have record or contract details in Airtable and I want to create the documents in esignatures.io, which is an application for collecting the electronic signatures over the document. So either I can copy the record and create the documents manually, or I can automate this document creation process. Yes, every time the contract details will be added to Airtable, the documents will be automatically created and will even send for the signature to the signer, that too automatically. Want to learn how you can create the legal documents automatically using the Airtable records? Just follow the instructions till end. So in order to generate the documents automatically in e-signatures using Airtable Records, I need to connect these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. You can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now first create your free account from this button and you will also get free task every month to test this automation in the free account. Now I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in. Then I will click on access now, and this is how I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, from where exactly we are going to start creating our automation. Okay, so click on this blue button, create workflow, enter workflow name here. So provide any random name. I am providing generate documents in esignatures.io using Airtable Records. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you. Trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happens in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the data is added in Airtable application, generate a record in e-signature application. That is why Airtable will be my first application here. Select for the Airtable, and in the trigger event I am going to choose whenever the new record will be added. Okay, click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token in order to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect. So from where I will get this token? Directly click on this account, and if you are already logged into your Airtable account, it will take you directly to the section where you will get your token. Okay, so this is the token. Copy and paste it here in the Pabbly Connect, and this is how you can simply connect your Airtable account with the Pabbly Connect. So you can see Airtable account is connected. Now it is asking for the base. Let me search for the base, and I'm having the name as legal document creation. Let me search for the same legal document creation. Here is the base. Table name is create documents using records and get them signed. Okay, well, it has selected already. It is asking for the trigger field. Read the instructions. Create a field in your table schema with the field name created and field type created time. And if you do not have created field in your table schema, please create one that will be used to store the records. Okay, and the instruction for the same again has provided here. So go back to your Airtable account, and here I am going to add one more field as created time. Okay, created time, and here you will have to search for the same created time. Where it is? You can see created time. You will have to search for that. You will have to select for that and select your date, time and the time format. Click on create field, and on the basis of this particular field only, our Airtable base, our Airtable document will be triggered. Okay. Come back to Pabbly Connect and now finally fill the trigger field. Before that, you will have to click on this refresh button so that the recent value can be picked up here, and you can see that particular field value has been picked automatically. Now I am going to click on the save and send test request button, but this time you will see the response will be blank because we do not have any data here. So I'm going to add one dummy data here so that the response can be captured here in Pabbly Connect. But before that, let me show you this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. That means whenever we will add a lot of data here, that will not captured here immediately, but in every 10 minutes it will capture the data. So let me first add the details here. So I have added the records in Airtable and I want to create document using these records only. So the document name, the contract name will be the contract for affiliate partnership, and total month, basically this contract will valid for 4 months. How about I write it month as well, okay, months as well. And the service name is actually the affiliate promotion, and I'm going to provide the fee. I'm going to pay the fee of $500, a fixed amount. Okay, the signer name is dummy client. This is the signer email. And what is the signed document URL? Well, once that person will sign that document, I am going to add the URL of that signed document here in this column, that too automatically. And here the created time, this particular time has been added automatically as soon as I have added this record. Now I am going to click on the save and send test button once again, and you will see that response will be captured here. And you can see the response is received, and let me show you the details one by one. This is the created time. Let me show you. Let me cross check this particular time. Yes, it is the same time, 9/17/2022. Alright, 9/17/2022. The document name, contract name is actually the contract for affiliate. Yes, it is the same contract name. 4 months, well, we have added the 4 months only here. Where it is gone? Here it is, 4 months. And let me even check for other details. Here you can see the service name is affiliate promotion. I have added 500 as the rate to be mentioned in my document. The signer name was dummy client, and here is the email address. So that means Airtable is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now onwards, whenever I will add the details, I will add the records here, that details will be automatically fetched here in Pabbly Connect, that too in every 10 minutes. So in case this particular data will be not fetched up in real time, do not worry about that. Now let's proceed further, and now I want to create the documents with the help of esignature.io application. So let me search for the same application, and in action event I will choose create a contract because I want to create the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection. It is asking for the secret key, basically the secret token. Again, the instruction for the same is given here. You will have to go to your eSignature application, and here you will find the option of API in top right corner, and here exactly we will receive our secret token. Copy the same, paste it here, and this is how you can connect your esignature.io with the Pabbly Connect. And you can see it is connected. The very first thing, it is asking for the contract template. You can see whatever the templates are available into my eSignature account have started visible in the Pabbly Connect. You can see ABC Consulting Agreement, Affiliate Agreement template, and yes, all of those templates are visible here, and I am going to select this particular template, basically the Affiliate Agreement template. Alright, let me show you that. This is the Affiliate Agreement template using which I am going to generate the document this time. Okay, and the begin date will be added here automatically, the months will be added here, the service name will be added here, the rate will be added here, and this is how using this template the document will be created. Let's select the same template, Affiliate Agreement template. It is asking for the contract title. Well, I do not need to manually provide the title because I have already mentioned this contract title in my Airtable, which I have received here in the Pabbly Connect response. This is the contract name, and I'm going to fill this detail only here exactly, which is actually not required to copy and paste. Simply click here, enter text or map data, and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Read here, insert data from previous steps. So let's search for that contract title. Okay, I am going to provide this particular title to my document. Test mode, I am going to keep it as no only. Signer name, again I am going to map the signer name from the above data only. Where is the signer name? Here is the signer name, dummy client. And this this is how I am going to map these fields one by one. Okay, email is here. All right, I have mapped it. Signer email, signer mobile, company name, redirect URL. Since these fields are not mandatory, I'm not going to fill these fields. Let us leave these fields blank. Now you can see the begin date, months, service, rate. What are these? Let me show you the template which I have selected. The name of my template was affiliate agreement template. Let me open that template. Here's the template, affiliate agreement template, with the help of which I'm going to create the document. And I'm having these variables in my template: begin date, months, service, rate. I have these 4 variables. That is why in Pabbly Connect it is showing me the exact fields, exact variables. Here is the begin date, months, service and rate. So basically it is asking us that what exactly should come here in place of these variables, and whatever I'm going to provide the information from the Pabbly Connect, it will be replaced, and this is how this this document will be created automatically. Okay, come back to Pabbly Connect and let's fill these fields again from the Airtable response which we have received. Begin date. So basically I'm going to fill the date of, well, here you can see contract start date. I'm going to map the same. It is asking for the month. Again, map the same month. Let me search for that. 4 months. It will valid for 4 months. Service name. Again, search for that. And here is the service name, affiliate promotion. Finally, fill this rate. So $500 will be the rate of this document. Okay. Click on save and send test request and you will see the response will be received, and it is clearly showing that contract status is sent. That means the contract has been created automatically and it has been sent automatically to the signer. Let us check our e-signature account and you can see here are the contracts, and on 17 September contract for affiliate partnership has been created and it has sent to dummy client. You can see sent, it has sent. Let me sign this document as the dummy client. Let me open the Gmail account of this person and check whether we have actually received this particular document or not. And yes, you can see your contract for affiliate partnership is ready to sign. I'm going to open this and going to sign it as the signer. All right, it is asking to sign us contract for affiliate partnership, and you can even see that the details have been replaced. Well, there is one more dollar sign. I think it has actually added by mistaken. And where are the other details? You can see the date has been replaced. 4 months are visible here. Again, we have 2 values here because one value was actually by default and one we have added from the Airtable record. But make sure when you are going to add the records in Airtable, you will have to skip this value, basically the month. Okay, now I'm going to sign this document as the signer, dummy client. You will receive the final document shortly, and thank you for signing the contract for affiliate partnership. Go back to your e-signature account and let me first refresh it and check the status for the same. And yes, you can see it has been signed, and you can see the sent status has been removed from here. Now once the client has signed this document, I want this same document to be added here, basically the URL of the document in this particular column. For that, I'll first go back to Pabbly Connect and check for this document, and you can see the response I have received is actually consist of few details, and I'll find that particular URL, the document URL. Here you can see contract signer sign page URL. Let me open this document. All right, copy and paste. And you can see the PDF of that signed document has been created automatically, and we are actually able to open that document. So I want this document URL to be placed here in front of these records, basically along with these records. So how I am going to do it, you'll have to click on this plus action, and here you will have to search for the Airtable once again. And basically first we are going to find out this particular cell value, this particular field value, where exactly we would like to save the document, or where you would like to save anything. Okay, for that, in action event I will choose the search record as action event, and I'll click on connect. Click on select existing connection. Since I have already connected Airtable, that is why I am using the existing connection. Now it is asking for the base, table name and field name. Well, remember we have the base name as legal documents creation, which I have selected. The table name will be automatically selected, create documents using records and get them signed. Let me even cross check it. Create documents using records and get them signed. Yes, it is the same. Now it is asking for the field name, basically by which particular field you would like to search it. So I'm going to search that particular field, that particular row, with the help of the trigger field which I have created as created time. Remember that? And I'm going to search the value with the same thing as well. Let me search for the created time. Okay, so let's map it. Let's click on save and send test request, and you will see that particular value will be reverted. And yes, we have received the response. Finally, after that, I am going to update the document URL in Airtable. So I am going to search for Airtable once again. Alright, and here in action event, this time I will choose update record. Click on connect. Again I am going to choose the existing connection. Click on save, and you will be immediately connected with Airtable. Now finally again search for these things. Okay, legal documents. Alright, I have selected the same. The table name will be added automatically. It is asking for the record. So basically it is asking for the ID of this whole field, ID of this whole row, because we want to add the value in this particular row. So first we'll have to provide the ID. How? First, enable this mapping button, remove this existing ID, and now finally map the ID of that particular row which we can receive from the Airtable records. And this is the ID which I will map. I have mapped it successfully. And finally, in this particular record, in this particular row, what is that value which I would like to update? So I would like to update this particular value, basically the signed document URL, the signed document URL. So I will directly map the URL which I have received from the e-signature response. Alright, let me search for the same. Here is the page URL which I'm going to map, and finally I will click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see the record will be updated immediately. Let me refresh this Airtable, and you can see the document URL has been added automatically to our Airtable. And this is how you can also automatically update your records in Airtable. And this is the power of the automation. I have opened this document in order to check whether it is the same URL or not, basically the same document or not. Well, yes, it is the same document signed by the dummy client, and this is how you can also automate your document creation and the signature taking process with the help of this automation, with the help of Pabbly Connect. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks. So let's take a look what exactly we have done. Firstly, we have fetched the records from the Airtable, and then we have created a document in e-signature. Once we have created the document, we have then searched for the particular field in which we would like to save the document URL, basically the signed document URL. And finally, we have updated that record, that particular signed document in Airtable automatically. You can see the same document URL has been updated here. In case you want to clone this whole setup into your account, I will attach the link of my workflow in my description box. From this link, you can directly clone this whole workflow into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.